Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I do my pedicure at home. So right now I'm starting off by removing the old polish that I have on my yeah, as you all know guys, we are in quarantine, there's not going out, and my feet are becoming so dry guys. So I decided to do this and also share with you guys my motivational one, guys. Okay. So right now I'm just go ahead and file my nails and just file to my satisfaction. They are not that long though, but I still need to like file a little. So right now guys, I've just go ahead and soak my feet using this feet baths. I just pour water inside and add my bath salt to the water. Then I just place my feet inside, guys, and I will just stay inside for like 5 to 10 minutes in order to like give my feet a very good massage and also soak my feet, like just like you are doing it professionally. Then right now I'm just going to use the same brush that came with the feet bath and just scrub, prepping my face. Then guys, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this foot scrub. I got this one from one of our local store, and just apply it to my feet and just give it a scrub. After that guys, I've just go ahead and use this electric exfoliator to remove the dead skin, to just kind of like exfoliate to make sure that everything is all the dead skin are literally gone.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer to friends. If you OPN.
As you can see guys, you can see the amount of the dead skin that just coming off. Like this electric exfoliator is just the best. I have had this I've had it for like 2 to 3 years now. Yeah, I've been using it and I love it.
come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up.
So guys, right now I'm using this foot cream. I got this one from Amazon. Like guys, this cream is literally the best of the best. It's just the best. I bought it from Amazon and I've been using it for like 2 weeks now. I love it. Like if you know you're in need of a foot cream, I recommend this very one, guys. Okay, so right now I'm applying my nails polish. This one is completely optional. If you don't want to apply polish, you can just leave it. And yeah, so I'm applying the nail polish, and I'll just go ahead and dry it the next dryer. Hey, voila, that is the final result, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.